Joining us now is White House Press Secretary Robert Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, good morning.
Good morning, Harry. How are you?
Very well. There's a piece in the USA Today today. There's a survey, and they said 3 out of 4 Americans predict nothing will happen in this summit today, but 49% want a deal in health care. Can you say that something constructive will come out of this meeting today?
I believe something constructive will come out of this. I think it largely, Harry, depends on the willingness of both parties to come sit in a room, put aside their talking points, and instead come to some compromises on an issue that we know is important to the American people, important to small businesses, and important to middle-class families all over the country.
So is that the mindset? Is that the conversation in the White House going into today's meeting?
Absolutely. We want to hear again from Republicans and incorporate even more of the ideas that they have into the president's proposal. We know that if we do nothing, health care will continue to skyrocket. Anthem Insurance in California is sending their letters out about 39% premium increases. Yeah. We know that we can't sustain that. Families can't sustain that. Individuals can't sustain that. Small businesses can't. We have to do something about it. And I think what the American people want to see is two parties who have a willingness to come together, have a meeting of the minds, and come out of here with something that helps improve their lives.
Very quickly. So the White House is in a listening mood. Would they be even willing to listen to something as radical as tort reform?
I think you'll hear the president listen to any good ideas on how we cut costs, any good ideas on how we improve choice and competition, including the sale of insurance across state lines, assuming that there's a minimum standard for requirements that that insurance has to have. I think you'll hear him listen to ideas about how we get our budget deficit under control through health care spending. All of those ideas are on the table in the mind of the president, and I hope the participants come with that same willingness today too, Harry.
We shall see. Robert Gibbs, thank you very much for your time this morning. Do appreciate it, sir.
Thanks for having me.
I do.